Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering the fundamentals: title, date, time, and time zone so your audience sees the right schedule. Next, decide ticketing, free versus paid, and set price, quantity, and any limits. This determines checkout flow. Choose venue type. Online requires a stream link, in-person needs an address and capacity. Once done, save as draft. Make sure organizer details and contact email are accurate because they appear on confirmations and matter for attendee questions. Now build the experience. Create ticket types with quantities and sales windows. Early bird, general admission, and promo codes help manage demand. Write a concise description that covers what, who, and why. Include schedule, speaker bios, and logistical notes so attendees know what to expect. Upload a banner image sized for Eventbrite, pick category and tags to improve discoverability, and set age limits or accessibility notes. Make sure capacity and sales dates align with venue and promotion plans. Finalize by reviewing fees, refund policy, and whether the event is public or hidden. This affects search and SEO. Publish when ready, then immediately share using built-in email invites, social links, and embeddable widgets to drive early registrations. After publishing, monitor orders and attendee list, install the Eventbrite Organizer app for check-in, and update details if speakers or times change. If tickets fail to appear, clear cache. Recheck ticket visibility and sales dates. Those settings commonly cause issues and are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.